How to translate your subtitle to any language on Veed.io. What you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go all the way down and click on subtitles, which is after audio. Then once you click on subtitles, this option should come up. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the language you're speaking in here. So I'm speaking English, so I'm gonna just keep that and add translation. I'm gonna click on that. Now from here, I could click on any language I want. They literally have every single language in the world. I'm gonna try out French. Then once you find the language you want, just click on it. They have many options like different countries you want, so just pick one. Then once you click on it, you're gonna have to click on auto translate to the language that you want. You could also click on more options. You could also transcribe manually. You could also upload your own file. But I'm gonna just click on auto translate to French, and it's gonna translate my language to French. And there's one thing I have to tell you guys, you have to pay for this as of right now. It's not free. But if you want to translate automatically to English, it's completely free. But if you want to translate to other language, you need to pay for it. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.